طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. So inshallah today we continue with the level C2 Qur'an weekend 3 and we start with Surat An-Nas, the people, and this surah is very important surah. As we know, we read this before we go to bed. And about the surah, one was revealed, and the quick fact about the surah and the lesson what we learn from the surah, you have this in a book C2, level C2, the book what you have it at home. So here I'm just going to recite the surah and make sure your pronunciation is correct. All right, so as you all know, we start with isti'adha, then we go with the basmala. Isti'adha, as you know, starting with A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah, basmala with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alright, so let's start inshallah. Let me see if I can put the laser here. Very good. So we're ready to start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس قل أعو Hamza with fatha, ayn after it. Alright, so make sure say قل أعو. Don't say قل أعو أعو. No, أعو. There are two letters, a from the bottom of the throat, ayn from the middle of the throat. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. No, أَعُوذُ, ذُ, not أَعُوذُ, ذُ. Alright, very important. That, the tip of the tongue should be, should be out a little bit, okay? And there is a vibration there. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. I'm holding the noon because it has a shadda. بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Okay? بِرَ. Don't say بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. There is no rotation in ra, in only vibration. Okay? بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Don't say بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Ra. No, ra is heavy. Alright? قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Pronounce the sin. مَلِكِ النَّاسِ. You see, I elongate the alif here because I stop with the sukoon due to the volunteer stop. I can elongate the mad here 2, 4, and 6. مد عارض للسكون. But if I continue ناسي إلهي الناسي إلهي, then this cannot go more than 2 counts, okay? But I prefer we stop in every ayah. ملك الناس إله الناس إلهي ألف صغيرة إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس. You see the noon doesn't have sukoon because it's hidden on the sheen. Look, my mouth, my mouth is on the sheen. I don't say min. Don't put the tongue on the noon. The tongue should be on the sheen, but do not pronounce yet. Keep the position of the mouth on the sheen until the ghunna is complete. Min sharri, ra with kasra, light. Min sharri wa. Don't say vasvasi, va. No, wa. We don't have va in Arabic language. Min sharri waswasi al-khannas. Kha. Don't say khun. No. Neither khan should be middle. Kha, khannas is very important, okay? من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. الذي, you see Hamzat al-Wasl, we begin by Hamzat al-Wasl. With the lam together, we start with a. الذي, as we mentioned in previous videos, okay? الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. يوسوس في صدور. Dal is light. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. You see, I'm holding the noon with shadda, so the ghunna must be most complete. Alright, very good. So let's continue. So in weekend 3 we have the review of the Ayatul Kursi, what we already learned it before. So I'm gonna read quickly inshallah, because you already know it, just to min babul barak. Okay, let's start with isti'adha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. Very good. So inshallah we continue to the practice of the kasra. We finished practice of the fatha, dhamma, and now we go practice of the harakat kasra. In Nuraniya, as you know, we read the letter, then the harakah. Sheen, fatha, sha. Ra kasra ri, shari, ba fatha ba, shariba. Shariba. Same thing, lam with fatha, ayn with kasra. La'a, la'i, la'i. Then ba with fatha, la'iba. Alright? We have ta with fatha, ayn with kasra, ta'i, ba with fatha, ta'iba. Ta'iba. Alright? Sin with fatha, mim with kasra, sami, sami, ayn with fatha, sami'a. Ha with fatha, mim with kasra, hami, dal with fatha, hamida. Yes? Then we have here, we can say la bi, sa, la bi sa. Kha si, ra, khasira. Yes? Bakhi, لا باخلة باخلة. Yes. غاضي با غاضب. عالي ما. Alright, so make sure when we recite this or we read this word, we do not elongate the harakat. Ami, we go for example, amila, wasi'a, radiya. Yes. Kariha, adina. Very good. Hiya, Masa, masadi. Falaqi, sa'ida. Alright? Malika, khashiya, kamathali. Tariba, yes, tariba. Thamira, thamari, afan, thamari with kasra. Ajali, fariha, marida, jazari, yes, qamari, waladi. You have to try to read this word quickly, okay? Fariha, marida, jazari, qamari, waladi. This is important, alright? So this is what we have of the weekend 3, what you need to work on it, inshallah. We're going to stop right here, inshallah, and then we're going to continue with weekend 4, inshallah. هذا وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.